This stock just exploded over 170% today. And I'm going to show you exactly how I caught it 4 times back to back for profit today, explained step by step in less than 60 seconds. Stop losing and listen up. Now that stock today was Cety, and it actually exploded over 170%. Right now, that's crazy. But what's even crazier is I caught it way back here. Now, of course, this was one of our leading gainers back in pre-market this morning, so everybody should have been watching it. But step 1 after seeing a gap up in pre-market is to check the daily time frame for range overhead. So we pull up the daily time frame and look back to the left for past areas of resistance, which acts as levels of range overhead. And as you can see here, using these past levels, we had 220 and 3 to the upside. So I knew I had range all the way up here to about $2.20. Now the fact is, right now, unless you have an edge in the market, you are probably getting screwed. Breakouts just aren't working. So what I noticed here going into market open was these higher lows put in here off of this $1.50 area. And so of course I also realized this wick off the high becomes an area of supply. Drag that on over, we have an area of liquidity to trade out of. Which of course we also had confluence here off these higher lows as well, giving me the perfect entry opportunity off the opening flush right here. So being this was an area of supply, as price breaks above and confirms off those pullbacks, this then becomes an area of demand to use for my entry. Then once the market opened and this thing flushed, I executed my plan to a T here, taking that flush entry. Got to move back up to 175, not once, not twice, but 3 times for profit, catching a pretty serious move on trade number 3. I literally just kept taking pullback after pullback, and this thing just would not stop printing. Now, after that, this thing sold off and actually broke down underneath that past low. But what I also realized here is we had these higher highs putting in place this almost megaphone pattern, this widening channel. So I knew if it did reclaim trend, I had range back to top of this channel right here around $2 a share. So what we noticed is we have this lower high and lower high right here, and we see price break out above that on the reclaim of trend. And of course, I knew we had range top of its channel around $2 a share, which then of course allowed me to catch the perfect pullback entry here on the 1-minute time frame over this previous high of day. And then I just trailed my stop loss to the 1-minute lows until I eventually got to move back up into those highs. I mean, this thing was so easy today. So that's how I caught the most obvious stock in the market today on Cety, trading live with my students like I do every single day. You get access to watch me trade stocks just like this in real time every single day. Make sure to claim your 7-day free trial. Let's have another amazing day tomorrow before Thanksgiving, and I will see you guys there.